Good morning, students. Class 8, chapter number 9, algebraic expression and entities. In the previous video, we have completed out exercise 9.4, in which we study multiply binomial to binomial, binomial to trinomial, etc. Now we have discussed some entities which we used in exercise 9.5 to multiply to binomial very easy. So we have discussed some entities, in which first entity, suppose we have to multiply a binomial to same binomial. अगर हमें उसी बाइनोमियल की मल्टीप्लाई उसी बाइनोमियल से करनी हो तो क्या रिजल्ट आएगा? जस्ट ओपन द ब्रैकेट. सो मल्टीप्लाई बाई a टू a प्लस b एंड प्लस b इंटू a प्लस b. a multiply a square, a multiply b ab, b multiply a ab and plus b square. So what is the result? A square plus 2ab plus b square. So it is the first entity कि अगर हम a plus b into a plus b, हम इसे a plus b होल स्क्वायर भी कंसीडर कर सकते हैं. इट इज इक्वल टू a स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab प्लस b स्क्वायर. जब सेम बाइनोमियल की मल्टीप्लाई सेम बाइनोमियल से की जाएगी, देन इट्स मीन बाइनोमियल का होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू a स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab प्लस b स्क्वायर. यहां पर a और b दो वेरिएबल्स हैं. यहां पर x और y या एनीथिंग वेरिएबल्स कैन बी टेकन. तो इट इज द फर्स्ट एंटिटी. सेकंड, again we multiply a same binomial to a same binomial, but there which contain two terms which have minus sign between them. So a minus b into a minus b. What is the result we obtained? Firstly, a into a minus b minus b into a minus b. A multiply a square, a multiply b minus ab minus b multiply a minus ab minus minus plus b square. So what is the result? A square minus 2ab plus b square. So we can say that a minus b into a minus b, it can be written a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So it is the second entity जो हम यूज करेंगे in exercise 9.5. Now third entity, अगर हम बाइनोमियल की मल्टीप्लाई बाइनोमियल से करें, but in the first binomial which contain two terms and between them sign is positive, second binomial contains same terms but sign between them is minus, then result we obtained. Now multiply a minus b plus b into a minus b. A multiply a square minus ab plus ab minus b square. The result we obtained a square minus b square. So entity a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Clear? So it is the third entity. And the fourth entity which we used, suppose we multiply a binomial to another binomial, but in the first binomial we contain two terms x plus a. In the second binomial we contain two term x plus b. It means first term is same but second term is different. Then what is the result we obtained? X into x plus b plus a into x plus b. X multiply x, x square bx ax plus ab. These two terms are like terms, so we can take x as a common and in the bracket we obtained a plus b. So it is the fourth entity, x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. तो आई श्योर ये 4 एंटिटी आपको क्लियर हुई होंगी. नाउ वी स्टार्ट एक्सरसाइज 9.5. Now students, we discuss question number 1 of exercise 9.5. In the question number 1, use a suitable entity to get each of the following products. First part, we have to find out product of x plus 3 to x plus 3. These are two binomials and we observe that both have same terms and between them sign is positive. Then the entity we use. Firstly, we just note down its x plus 3 whole square and the entity we use a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, and write the suitable entity in a box. Now apply the entity. In the replace of a we just note down x and in the replace of b we just note down 3. So what is the result? X square plus 2 into x into 3 plus 3 square, and the result is x square plus 6x plus 9. So answer of x plus 3 into x plus 3, x square plus 6x plus 9. Now we simplify for third part. In the third part we observe that these two are binomials and both have same terms and between them sign is minus. So firstly we note down 2a minus 7 whole square and we note down suitable entity x minus y whole square is equal to x square minus 2xy plus y square. You can use any variable in the entity a, b, x, y, anything else, but remember, if a variable used in the question then you don't use the variable in the entity. अगर क्वेश्चन में कोई वेरिएबल यूज हो रहा है तो आप उस वेरिएबल को अपनी एंटिटी में यूज ना करें. जनरली अगर जितना हो सके तो हमने यहां पर इन द एंटिटी वी यूज वेरिएबल x एंड y इन द प्लेस ऑफ a एंड b. नाउ वी अप्लाई द एंटिटी इन आफ्टर रिप्लेसिंग x we note down 2a and after replacing y we note down 7. Now apply the formula 2a whole square. In the replace of a we note down 2a. 2a into 7 plus 7 square. 2a whole square. 2a multiply 2a. It's mean 4a square. 2 multiply 2a multiply 7. It's mean 28a and 7 square is 49. So I sure these two parts are clear. Now we discuss its fifth part. In the fifth part, the first binomial contain 1.1 m minus 0.4 and into second binomial contain 1.1 m plus 0.4. We notice that these are two binomial and in the both binomial terms are same, but first binomial contain minus sign between these two terms and second binomial contain plus sign between these two terms. Now entity we can use a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. Now after comparing after replacing a we just note down 1.1 m and after replacing b we note down 0.4. So we always put the value of variable in RHS. So after replacing a we note down 1.1 m whole square and after replacing b we note down 0.4. 1.1 it's mean 1.21 m square and 0.4 it's mean 0.16. 0.4 multiplies 0.4, 16, but there are two digits after decimal, one digit, so answer is 0.16. So it's the solution of this product. We have just note down its ninth part. In the ninth part, first binomial contain x upon 2 plus 3y upon 4, and second binomial contain x upon 2 plus 3y upon 4. We have to multiply this binomial to this binomial. Both have same terms and between them sign is positive, so the entity we can use, firstly we note down x upon 2 plus 3y upon 4 whole square, and the entity we can use a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. In the place of a we note down x upon 2, and in the place of b we note down 3y upon 4. So x upon 2 whole square plus 2 multiply x upon 2 multiply 3y upon 4 plus 3y upon 4 whole square. Now simplify. X square upon 4 plus 2 and 2 cancel out, 3xy upon 4 plus 9y square upon 16. So I am sure the product is also clear. So these parts and remaining parts in homework. In the next video we continue exercise 9.5. Thank you.